Introducing the First Time Flexi-Glider, a plushy soft power-packed stimulator that bends and moves with you. This flexing stimulator is made of a safe and pure material with a hard plastic end cap with a silver-plated decor ring. The Flexi-Glider is 7 inches long and 1¼ inches wide. This powerful vibe can be used to stimulate any part of your body, but is especially made for insertion. It's easy to use. Just press the button on the end cap to change the 2 speeds. This stimulator uses 2 AAA batteries and comes in pastel pink. The First Time Flexi-Glider is also waterproof for fun in or out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Flexi-Glider with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Make it a memorable experience with the First Time Flexi-Glider.